Kuadada. Remember, we are in Innocence Limited, Innocence House, Innocence Motor,
yes,
Innocence Limited. See, this is the latest one, latest. See, this very motor can even drive itself without fuel, without driver.
Yes.
Anyway, this car can take you to Lagos without anybody driving it. See me? I'm going there right now. See the car? Once you open the door, the car will welcome you. See me? Military Hero 1. This is Military Hero 1. IVM. Everything is intact. Chala chala. This is the brake. This is the throttle. Here. Hey! I don't die. I swear I don't die. No be joke, no be joke. Hey! What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Eh? What are you waiting for? If you don't know Innocent, what are you driving? Okay, let me close my door.
Yes. This is Prince Gozie Okeke.
My goodness. Aye. Aye. You know they see him?
Look at the tires. Eh? No one up with tires. Yes.
My goodness. Innocent is the best.
Of course.